Si LeBron James at ang Los Angeles Lakers mga kabasketball ay umaban sa Western Conference Semifinals sa pamamagitan ng 98-78 na panalo sa Game 6 laban sa Houston Rockets sa Toyota Center. Bagamat ito ay isang brilliant series victory, in 6 games for the Lakers, nahaharap sila ngayon sa daunting task of taking down the mighty Thunder. Ang defending champions ay magpapatunay ng tougher adversary na kalaban para sa Lakers, and James looked ahead ang laban na iyon sa kanyang post-game interview sa Prime. Ito ang sinabi niya, "Obviously, we are playing against the defending champions, so, my early scout, obviously we'll get into it in a couple of days, but obviously it's the defending champs. One thing you have to do, you have to protect the ball versus those guys. They play physical, handsy defense. If you allow them to get a lot of pick sixes, it just ignites their home court, it ignites their team." At malinaw naman, alam natin ang head of the snake, isang posibleng back-to-back MVP para kay Shai, so, we will scout them. Pero talagang full-equipped team sila. Hindi lang si Shai, obviously, we know he's the head honcho. But it trickles down to everybody in that starting lineup na iyon at sa bench. We have a full plate once again, but we'll be ready for the challenge. Ang Thunder mga kabasketball gave the all sorts of problems sa regular season na swept nila ang season series 4-0 at 3 sa mga larong iyon ay blowouts. It was during the 139-96 loss to the Thunder that the Lakers lost Luka at Reeves sa injury. Wala pa rin si Luka, ngunit bumalik si Reeves sa Game 5 laban sa Rockets. He still isn't quite at his best, which is to be expected after his time off. Si Reeves mga kabasketball ay may 15 puntos, 3 rebound, 2 assist, at 3 block sa Game 6 na panalo laban sa Rockets. Dahil wala pang totoong timetable para sa pagbabalik ni Luka, kakailanganin ng Lakers ang kanyang backcourt partner upang mahanap ang kanyang pinakamahusay na partner sa lalong madaling panahon. Kung hindi gagawin ni Reeves, magkakaroon sila ng problema laban sa Thunder gaano man kahusay ang paglalaro ni James. The 41-year-old was great in this series against the Rockets. Si James ay may 28 puntos, 10 of 25 field goal, 7 rebound, at 8 assist sa Game 6. Ngayon, ang 22-time All-Star mga kabasketball ay wasn't quite at his best in Games 4 at 5 as the Lakers saw their 3-0 lead cut sa 3-2. There was talk mga kabasketball about them being the first team to blow a 3-0 lead, ngunit tiniyak ni James na hindi iyon mangyayari. Kapansin-pansing na outscore niya ang Rockets sa 14 of 13 sa ikalawang quarter ng mag-isa, at ang larong ito was basically over at the half. Tinapos ni James ang seryeng ito na may average na 23.2 points, 8.3 rebounds, 7.2 assists, 1.3 steals, at 0.3 blocks kada laro. Ito ay fascinating to see mga kabasketball, how he and the rest of the Lakers fare against the Thunder. Si James mga kabasketball pointed out kung gaano kahalaga to take care of the ball, at ang Lakers ay kailangang gumawa ng mas far better job kaysa sa kanilang ginawa sa regular na season. Ang Thunder mga kabasketball forced them into 17.5 turnovers per game in those 4 meetings. Ang Lakers ay nag-average din ng 17.7 turnovers bawat laro laban sa Rockets sa seryeng ito, at ang Thunder will make you pay for making that many mistakes. They have to clean things up. As for the other end mga kabasketball, kailangang maghanap ng paraan ng Lakers para pabagalin si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Sa 3 larong nilaro ni Gilgeous-Alexander laban sa kanila sa regular season, nag-average siya ng 27.7 puntos sa 55.2% shooting mula sa field. Walang sagot ang Lakers para sa kanya, ngunit kukuha sila ng kumpiyansa sa kung gaano kahusay ang kanilang depensa. Laban sa Rockets, gaganapin ang Game 1 sa Paycom Center sa Miyerkules. Kayo mga kabasketball, ano masasabi nyo dito? Mag-comment lang sa baba.